megalayapost.news
Menteri Berdikmi ia katnat puli puthi ke Jala Meghalaya uku rakam sangma mantakasngi ula pentip bagi don kumban rup wajar ngut isamla puli ki balayo jimuntoy lengba ka umbrella scholarship hakaba kilayo pedang ya kapisa kat kum ka installment bala pelat daka Ministry of Education jogari India bat ka basutnat kalong bada ka jingyu i jengai jong menteri ramba ka Jala ukonrat ki sama berkentiu ya ka puli puthi on pemipat daka Chief Minister scholarship hakaba ki kena puli kinyo wajar tengka marway habakren berkinotok kubor urakam sangma ula pentip baka sorkar Jala balalam khmat dak NPP kadon ya katong kabakrau ban kentiu ya katnat puli puthi hapo Jala Meghalaya nabenta kalawei bapernai jogi samla puli dak bapun mi iru sibun kilat banyarap iki samla puli kino hikai barwat iki jingte yaki ying school ki bapaka hakaba ula pentip baki ladon kumba hajar tadi ki ying school balayo ban mang bisa ban maramot yaki haus nem arja apply bat kumba san spa tadi ki ying school latei themai hakaleng ke Jala kum ka sorkar Jala ngidon ya jingkit kli kabakhya ban kentiu ya ka Jala hagi babun kiliang kamtam ka puli puthi namar kumbalong barok sekata gajing hiar kerdan ka puli puthi ka Jala Meghalaya katkum ka performance grading index gi Jala baper lane PGI kadai namar baki sorkar balalam hakisnem balalikno kimsyam lapai khmat syakatnat puli puthi balasyu ino kunswet yaka ong urakam sangma ulai turu baka Jala Meghalaya kadai ka Jala kepala biang ba ka jingdon jokino hikai ki batbet kumta don kam yaka jingkit kli kumno ban kentiu yaka rangkat kilat klinti bapaka.
I don't know how it happens because many has not done their homework well, and before they sit for any examination, everybody should do their homework well at home. Number one, it's just a misunderstood, right? So the ministry released in a installment. Earlier there are 66,000 students beneficiary for the umbrella scholarship. When the ministry released first installment, we used to give full amount to, suppose there is a total 66,000, we used to give maybe first installment for whole amount to the 20,000. The rest 40,000 has to wait. It may delay again. So this time the ministry has, as per the fund availability, we are giving in the installment basis to all the beneficiary equally. Then as and when the ministry will release, we will continue to the next two or three installment, and they will receive the same amount as they receiving in the past. Number one. Number two, somebody has been talking about the CM scholarship. This process is yet to initiate officially. We will give a formal notification for the registration for the CM scholarship. As of now, CM scholarship is yet to initiate the process. That's all. So we will give a formal notification for the registration. Of course, the same things only, but we are yet to initiate. But yeah, that's it. Maybe very soon, and we will start the process at the earliest from now. And they will receive the same amount from the umbrella estate, that is from the tribal ministry, government of India, and in addition to that, another 6,000 per beneficiary from the state, from CM sponsor scholarship for all the students across the state. Yeah, no, initiated only just few days back, 2-3 days back we have initiated. So we will be giving to all of them, all of those who don't have any issue with the bank and the account issue. Suppose I have to return again. Earlier, whenever we received the installments released from the ministry, we used to give full amount to certain beneficiary. Suppose if it is 60,000, we used to give whatever we received from the ministry, we used to give full amount to the first 20,000. The rest 40,000 have to wait for another installment. But this time, whatever the amount is available, we are just giving equally for all as per the fund availability from the ministry in the state government. So therefore, whenever we will receive the other installment from the ministry, we will credit again, and we will continue. And in next 2-3 installment, we will complete the process. A bit less, because I don't know the exact amount of the ministry how much is released, but whatever amount released from the ministry, we are crediting to the beneficiary account. But for another some 6,000, 7,000 beneficiary, they have some issues with the bank account, other links, so otherwise the rest is okay. So otherwise, no, earlier they used to receive 20,000, 30,000, 15,000, right, once But this time they will receive this same amount, but in maybe 3 times or 2 times or 4 times like this. So there's a difference. But they will receive the same amount. In addition to that, they will receive another 6,000 from the CM sponsors. Scholarship from the state government. Yeah. Politicians, some leaders criticize all this. Yeah, this may be true. Some parties used to criticize the government. Yes, but the point is, this may be true and may not be true. But we have to understand first. Look, the figure reflect today. It's an outcome of the government put efforts in the last 20 before 20-30 years. Because in the last 20-30 years, government of Meghalaya did not put any efforts to reform, to streamline the education system, to build the infrastructure, right? Completely left abandoned. In last 20-30 years in the governance of the education department, government did not seriously consider to build the infrastructure. Completely in the mess. There is no electricity, there is no blackboard, there is no room, there is no classroom. The building is completely dilapidated condition. No at all. There is no enrollment also. And that many teachers don't go to the schools. All this in last 20-30 years. These things being reflected today. Knowing of all this, Honorable Chief Minister has reviewed the all scenario of all this and reviewed and started in last 30 years. The government has started building the infrastructure in all the government's institutions. In last 2-3 years, more than 2,700 schools has been renovated, and more than 700 to 800 schools has been newly constructed. All the government's schools has been newly constructed, and we have given the toilets, we have we are giving the smart classroom, and we have all teachers is going to schools today. But this thing's figure will reflect maybe after 2-3 years from now. So this is what we are seeing the result today. It's about hard work of yesterday. What our work has been done today, it will reflect tomorrow and the day after. This shows, and you will know the result what we are doing and what we have done today. So look, whoever, which party, which individual has said criticize the government for this, you have to look back. Who was in the power for last 10-15 years ago? You should also understand and you should also take responsibility. It is yours. It is your work that being reflected today. But what has been done today, you will see the result. Will reflect the figure tomorrow. So this is what, of course, this PJ ranking is all talk about infrastructure. It's all about the outcome, learning outcome. We talk about the equity. There are many criteria, many factors, right? So suppose in our state, we do not need electricity in the classroom, but in the ministry, being reflected, there is no electricity in the class. Look in Rajasthan. If we talk in Rajasthan, the classroom, they need a AC room. But in our state, in Shillong, neither we need fan nor we need the AC. Right? We have a good environment. But however, for the ministry, it is reflect there is no electricity like this. So, and we have in one campus there are 4 or 5 schools, categories of school: SSA, ADO, deficit, government, RMSA, and private. There are 4 or 5 categories in one campus. There are 6 schools in the campus, in the same campus, having a different UDIs. But however, practically we are using the same library, same toilet, same classroom, same command room, same computer, same road, same power, and same playground. Or however, if it is but it is in one campus. If it is reflect for one school, it will be 100% in electricity, library, computer, classroom, toilet, water facility, in all. But however, this has to be reflect for the 6 schools. Then the figure come down. If it is 6, 1 divided by 6, this is only about 23%. If it is if in the same category, if it is only one category of school, it will have 100% electricity, 100% the library, computer, toilet, etc. But since it is divided into 6 For the 6 different high schools in the same campus, this has become 22-23%. Therefore, this figure is being reflected like this also. But however, we are going to streamline all this under the dynamic leadership of the Chief Minister. We are doing all reform. Our Chief Minister and the governance, we are all committed to bring the reform, and we are initiated, and you will see the result tomorrow and day after. So this is a testament that our academic reforms start. We have seen the SSLC result, and the SSLC result has secondary, and now it's MTET. So they are doing better. I think we are on the right track. So I'm happy that even the performance in the MTET, they are really done better this time. So therefore, this shows the testament that we are on the right track now. So like this shows the students, the teachers, and all students, they are putting their efforts very seriously. So this is, and one good thing is we will not face any crisis for the teachers now. We have well qualified teachers in the state. This shows we have enough number of qualified teachers in the market, in the state, for any institution, for any academic purpose. That's a good thing we have. Even the learning outcome. I think only last 2 years back we have started a reform mission, and this will not reflect the figure today. No, it will reflect maybe in the years to come. So in the learning outcome, in the infrastructure, only in the last year we have constructed more than 2,000 plus newly schools. It will not reflect now because this is ongoing. Some has been completed, some are not, right? So these things will figure in the district, but we have started and we have done, and we are doing, and we continue to complete it till we achieve our objective. Yeah.
Meghalaya Post.news